Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you things that you can do as a stay-at-home mom. I don't want to hear that you don't have money to start up. Even if it's with zero naira, you can start all these things I'm going to be telling you. Even if you have less than 50k, you're going to make it here. Even as a content creator, you need to have other sources of income. Don't depend on one source of income in this era. One source of income is not going to cut it nowadays. Is it that one source of income that you want to make it in life? The thing that you are doing right now, do you think that's the only thing that can give you steady income? Is it not good to have like five things that are bringing money for you at the same time? Everybody started from somewhere, so stop complaining that you don't have money. Not having money, that's the greatest motivation that you even need. I don't have money, that's the thing that you even need. You even need to start thinking of, I don't have money every time. I don't have money, how will I have money? How will I have money? How will I break this generational not having money? So you have to have multiple sources of income. Don't tell me that you are still doing only one thing in this year. Hmm. So let me give you examples of things you can be doing as a stay-at-home mom. Even if you are not a stay-at-home mom, you can still be doing this as your side hustle. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is soap making. I know you are thinking soap making, but I don't know how to make soap. Go on YouTube. You don't need to have money to pay for classes. Yes, when you start making money, you go for upgrade. But start from somewhere. You don't have money right now, but you are getting better. You are making yourself better. You are training your mind. So learn something online. Go online and search for how to make soap. You don't know how to make soap, right? Go online and search for how to make soap. You can't just sit there and say that I don't have money, I don't have money. What are you doing to change that the I don't have money idea that you think you don't have money? So go online, learn something. Soap making. Out of that soap making, there are like 5 or 10 businesses that you can do under that soap making business. Let's say you have 50,000 naira now and you've learned how to make soap online. Jot everything down. Go to where they are selling soap material. Ask people around you. You can even type it on Google now. Where can I get soap? Let's say you are in Lagos now. Where can I get soap ingredients in Lagos? It's going to tell you the market that you go to. Just list everything down that you saw online on how to make soap. Go to the market. When you get to the market, tell the people that are selling the things that you want to make. Okay, I want to make detergent. I beg, give me every ingredient that you need to make my soap. I want to make soap. Let the person start putting everything down. You will not talk. Don't say anything. After that person has picked everything on the ground, you will now bring out your list. Okay, this one is soda chloride, put it one side. Okay, this one is something, put it. Okay, how much is all this one that I now picked? The person will now start telling you bargain. Out of that 50,000 naira that you have, buy like 30,000 naira home, 30,000 naira product, main product. Oh, the person will now tell you that you are not buying this, oh, and you really need it. Oh, are you not going to add it? You did not pick preservative now. Do you have that one at home? Now, no, I don't have had that one. So that's where you start having ideas. Your next production will now be better than this because you now have an idea of what to start from. Do you get? So from soap making, you can go online and search for how to make iPhone. Go online and search for how to make Vim, how to make the top, how to make Aiza, how to make toilet wash, how to make air freshener. There's toilet air freshener, there's room air freshener. Out of all this soap making business that you are doing, so make all this, anything that your money can make out of it, 2 or 3 products, make it out of it. You now go to maybe your church and start showing people. Go to your family. At the beginning, you will not have sales, you will not have many sales, but I will teach you in my next video on how to get sales, on the strategy I use to get sales, more sales in my business. So you now go to your church, go and start advertising, package it very well, get those bottles, package it, start showing them. And I have hand wash you, and I have bathroom wash you, and you will like it too. And it's less than 1,000 naira. In fact, let me show you. In fact, this one that I'm carrying around, someone have already bought it. Someone paid for it yesterday. That person now say, oh, let me pay for it now. You give that person another one. No, I already promised that person. Okay, because it's you, shall we take? So people will start buying from you when you see that you have customer. But when you are complaining that no sales, I don't have money, I don't have no money, nobody wants a failure. Nobody's associating with you as a startup business. Even your family members sef, they will see you making soap and they'll still go outside to buy soap. Don't get discouraged. That's why you need to have packaging. You have to have self-confidence. Whatever you do in life, you need self-confidence. Don't sell on credit to anybody. So from your soap business now, you have like 3 to 4 other things. You are making Vim, you are making Dettol, you are making Aiza, you are making so many things. So show it to people, make it small batch. Show it to people, sell it. If people are selling it outside 500, you sell it 300. So another thing is pink lips. Hmm. Even if it's lip gloss, even if you don't want to be making it yourself, even that soap that I mentioned, even if you don't want to be making it by yourself, go to the market and go and know where they are selling it wholesales. Go and buy it wholesales and repackage it. If you bought a soap for 1,000 naira wholesales, go and repackage it in 500 own. Make 4 or 500 own from it and repackage it. There are many people that cannot afford to buy that 2,000 naira own in the market, but they will buy your own 500. And they will not even know that it's that 2,000 own that you repackaged. So everything in life is packaging. Mindset is everything. That your pink lips that I said you should be selling, it can be pink lips, it can be wet lips, it can be lip balm. It can be eye pencil sef in the market that you had to eat. It can be even lip scrub that you just mix sugar or salt with the ingredients. All these lip balm ingredients is not even up to 20,000 naira. Make it, buy all this one small container, package it very well. Once you have money, you start branding your product. All these big brand that you are saying started from somewhere. Most of them started from their room, from their house. So it's packaging. Depends on how you package your business. Another one you can make is snacks. Oh, you're thinking of snacks. Nobody's buying snacks. Have you made potato chips? Still do one 50 naira one. Have you gone to supermarket to advertise it to them? Have you gone to hospital to advertise it to them? All these people selling in your area, did they know that you are producing that snack? All these your competitors sef, they will start selling from your market. They will start helping you to market your products. You that you are thinking that, oh, what will I now say? You don't have to have a shop to do all this business I'm mentioning. Go to your area, people that are selling biscuits, go and meet them. Oh, mommy, I used to make potato chips oh, I used to make plantain chips, I used to make all this candy sweet oh, and I'll be supplying you. If you sell 12 now, you sef you have 2 gain out of it. That means you'll be paying me 10 out of it money. So you start going there. With time, people, you become an household name. Everybody will know you. Even people will go there to buy it and they will not find it. And sometimes make your market scarce. It's not every time that your market will be available. Sometimes just make it scarce. Let them look for it. Let the people in your area start calling you that we don't have plantain chips. It's not that you go off for too long ago that they will have found another product or another supplier. If you are supplying for them 3 times in a week, you can reduce it to 2 times in a week so that that product will be scarce. There's this product that my friend is selling. This is exactly the strategy she used to get more sales. So she was selling it, she was not really having sales on it. She now paused for like 2 days. All the people that she used to supply started calling her. We are not saying you, we need more products. Material is that expensive. Don't worry, by next week you will see. By next week you will see. That's when they now started knowing her value. That's when they now started knowing her value. Because when something is too available, it tends to lose value when something is too available. So that's when they now started calling her, please now bring more now, please now. So the next time she took her product there, she took like, let's say she was supplying 10 products to them, she took like 20 of that same product to them instead of 10 that she was taking to them before. She took like 20, and guess what? That person bought everything because she was like, oh, this 20 that you are saying with me. In fact, I have like 4 people that want it, but it's because you've been calling me since. That's why I brought it to you first. So let me just give you 5 out of it. I'll go and supply the rest to them. Even one of my customer needs like 100 now. I don't know how to do it now. That person will now be thinking, eh, what if that product is not available again? The person will want to buy more than that 5 that person intends to buy. Please now let me pay for all this 20 now. Ah, no, I can't. Ah, no. Let me just tell it to you. It's because it's you. Because you are my top client. So that person will now be forced to buy 10 out of that product from you. Do you get? So another thing you can go into, another business that you can go into is perfume business. Out of that perfume business, start selling body spray. You don't know how to do it. Go to where they are selling noses. Start selling perfume oil. All this perfume oil, you can get it for less than 1,000 naira each. Start know where they are selling oses. Buy it in oses and start selling it in retail. You can even rebrand your oil perf. You can put your name on it and rebrand it. Do you get? You can add some things to it, mix some flavor together. You are selling oil perf now and you are not mixing products together to make a unique product for yourself. So make a unique product, label it, name it, package your business. You can start selling roll-on, you can start selling body spray, you can start selling deodorant out of this same perfume oil oh. Don't go near jewelries if you don't have money. Don't go near jewelries, don't go near clothes, don't go near shoe, don't go near bags. If you're just starting and you're going near all these three business, my sister, you are going to get frustrated because it's going to tie down your money, and you have money, you now start wearing most of the clothes. People are not looking for clothes, bag, shoes to buy again. There is no money. People are looking for how small things that they need in their house, like 500 something, 1,000 something. They are not looking for 10,000, 50,000 to buy unless they can afford it. So now that you are just starting up, even you that you don't have much money, you want to start going into jewelry business. No, don't do that. So these are my tips for you. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment for me in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.